The Mercedes-AMG SL will be back, better than ever. This iconic luxury sports car has always been a symbol of power, performance, and elegance, and its latest update takes these attributes to new heights. The first major change can be found under the hood. The new SL now features an advanced AMG 4-liter V8 biturbo engine that produces an impressive 577 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth gear changes and optimum performance at all speeds. The car has a top speed of 195 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. On the inside, the new SL exudes luxury with its handcrafted leather seats, advanced infotainment system, and customizable ambient lighting. The MBUX infotainment system includes a high-resolution display, voice control, and navigation to make every journey as enjoyable as possible. For audiophiles, the Burmester Premium sound system is available, delivering crystal-clear sound to every note. A host of advanced safety features ensure occupants are protected at all times. These include active brake assist, attention assist, and an advanced airbag system. One of the most exciting additions is the new convertible roof, which can be raised or lowered in less than 20 seconds, effortlessly transforming the vehicle's silhouette. Whether you want to drive with the roof open or need protection from the elements, this feature offers maximum flexibility. The exterior design combines aerodynamic efficiency with aesthetic appeal, featuring sleek lines and an aggressive stance. Signature AMG elements such as the Panamericana grille and quad exhaust tips add to the car's distinctive presence. In terms of driving dynamics, the new SL offers multiple driving modes including Comfort, Sport, and Individual, allowing drivers to tailor the driving experience to their liking. The car also features an adaptive suspension system that adapts to road conditions in real time, providing